heart is greater than our hearts. Faith is not that we see God, but we are confident that God sees us. Naalala niyo po yung kwento ng isang bata na he was there trapped on the building. At tapos sumigaw siya sa kanyang tatay. Sabi niya, Papa, you saved me. Tulungan niyo po ako. At sabi ng kanyang ama, sabi sa kanya, come on, you jump. I cannot see you. The smoke is so thick. And the father told him, hindi importante na makikita mo ako. Ang importante, nakikita kita. Come on, you jump. When God pushes you at the edge of the cliff, let go. Because it's either He will catch you when you fall or He will teach you how to fly. Yan ang hamon sa atin ng Panginoon. There are times when we really have to let go and let God take over our lives. May isang tao na nagmumotorcycle po siya at nadisgrasya po siya. Talagang he separated himself from his motorcycle. Mabuti naman. Pero at nakahawak po siya sa isang tree. And it was very dark. No moon and no star. And it was total darkness and he could not see anything. And he shouted for help. Come on, help me. And he heard a voice. At ang sabi ng voice, if you want to be saved, let go. Bumitiw ka. Eh sigurista siya. Eh sabi niya, wala akong nakikita eh. Bumiti ka nga, let go. At sabi niya, magtitiis na lang ako, hintayin ko na lang hanggang bukas. Gabing-gabi. At yun, ang nangyari, nagkintay siya buong gabi. At nang umaga na, nakikita niya, yun na pala yung distance niya sa lupa, oh. You can just imagine, buong gabi siya pong nagtiis. At kung bumitiw sana siya, di ba? We believe that God knows best.